everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today I want to let you know about my 2000 sub giveaway. So Uncle Steve at Uncle Steve Shakes has agreed to donate a whole set of his spices to the lucky winner. But here's the rules. You have to comment on this video. Only one entry, and you have to live in the continental United States. So get to commenting. Tell me what you think of my channel. And then next Saturday, on March 20th, we are going to be having my birthday celebration. But we're also celebrating me getting to 2,000 subscribers. And we will be doing a random picker to see who's going to win this amazing shake. We are really enjoying using it, and I know you will too. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.